Illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a mushroom character step by step. So go ahead and grab your drawing materials and let's get started. Alright illustrators, we're going to start with our mushroom character. The first thing we're going to do is create the body of our mushroom. Cross. And slightly curved on the way back up there. So down, across, back up. And now we're going to draw a really large oval that sits on top of this. So we'll just start with the top line that comes across, and then we'll circle back to touch that initial shape for the body that we drew. Next we'll add the cap to our mushroom, which is basically a big dome shape. And one of my favorite things about mushrooms are the spots. So we'll add a series of polka dots. They can be different sizes, slightly different shapes. You can have some that are more circles and then some that look more like ovals, big ones, little ones, and also some that you only see partial of along the sides there. We're going to add a cute face to our mushroom character down here in this blank space. We'll add two little dots for the eyes, 1 and 2. We're going to have a very big open mouth smile, so we'll start with a little smile and we'll build onto that. If you've watched other videos with me, you know that I use this trick quite a bit. Little tongue. And you can fill this in if you'd like. And a couple little face details here. 2 eyebrows. And we want to indicate that this mushroom is on the ground, so we can add a couple lines with some dots around. It's probably in the dirt, so just a little bit of background texture here. Alright illustrators, there is the outline of our mushroom character. The next step that we have to do is add color, yay! So you can use markers, colored pencils, crayons, anything that you'd like to color your mushroom character. This is what I chose to do. There is our mushroom illustration. The last step we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, everyone. I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you back here next time at Art with Ashley B.